Searching for the best budget PC cases? Start your journey here. Locate hidden gems, sleek designs, and unexpected features that won't break the bank. Each option promises to surprise and meet your needs without draining your wallet. Corsair 4000D Airflow. This particular PC case stands out as a great option for those seeking reliable durability. Despite being around for almost 4 years, it remains a top choice. What makes it so good? Well, its airflow design is robust, thanks to a mesh front panel that allows air to flow freely. Plus, it comes with two 120mm fans, leaving ample space for additional fans or radiators, like a 360mm one at the front and a 280mm at the top. Cable management is also a breeze with various channels and ties to keep everything neat. However, it's worth noting that while it has decent internal space, GPU clearance might be a bit tight, especially with newer graphics cards. The I/O ports are conveniently located at the top, though accessing them may require reaching around the back. Overall, this series offers a sleek look and all the essentials for most ATX systems at a fair price. Lee LAN Cool 216. An affordable PC case emerges as a top choice for budget-conscious gamers, boasting excellent cooling capabilities and motherboard flexibility. Within the mid-tower category, it achieves a perfect balance, accommodating both compact and expansive hardware setups effortlessly. Despite its modest size, it supports AMD and Intel ETX motherboards, an infrequency in its price range. Equipped with efficient cooling features like two front 120mm RGB fans and a rear 140mm fan strategically placed to prevent thermal throttling, it ensures optimal performance for demanding GPU setups. Its front I/O panel offers convenient connectivity options, including USB 3.0 and USB-C ports. It appeals to both novice and seasoned builders with its user-friendly design and effective cable management. Fractal North. For an enhanced gaming experience, a PC case with wood and metal accents is available. It's compatible with ATX, MATX, and ITX motherboards. The case allows natural airflow through an open front and mesh integration. It accommodates GPUs up to 355mm or 300mm with a front radiator of 360mm. Included are two 140mm aspect pulse width modulation fans for cooling. Customization is easy with 7 expansion slots. The front panel boasts sustainably sourced oak or walnut bars. Inside, there are two combined 3.5-inch by 2.5-inch drive mounts and two dedicated 2.5-inch drive mounts. The case's design allows for easy access. Remove side panels, unclip the front, and pop off the top panel with an integrated tab. Ventilation is optimized with fine patterned mesh and full mesh side panels. Asus Prime AP201. In terms of cooling and airflow, there's an exceptional PC case available. It features mesh panels on all sides, ensuring great ventilation. Despite its compact size, it's spacious enough to house high-end components, including long GPUs, tall CPU coolers, and large PSUs. The standout feature is its all-mesh design, providing maximum airflow. It supports radiators up to 360mm long for efficient cooling. Port-wise, it includes a USB Type-C connector supporting 10 GB per second, along with two USB Type-A ports and microphone jacks conveniently located on the front. If cooling performance matters most to you, this micro ATX option could be your best bet. Cooler Masterbox NR600. A mid-tower PC case is available that ticks all the boxes for a reasonable price. It's designed with simplicity and sophistication, blending well with any setup. Constructed from steel, polycarbonate, and tempered glass, it's both sturdy and lightweight. This case can accommodate long GPUs up to 410mm and tall CPU coolers reaching heights of 166mm. Cooling options are versatile, supporting up to 360mm radiators in the front, 240mm on the top, and a 120mm radiator at the back. Dust filters are strategically placed for easy maintenance. Storage-wise, it can house up to 4 3.5-inch drives and 5 2.5-inch drives. Front ports include two USB-A 3.0 ports and a 3.5mm HD audio jack, along with power and reset switches. While lacking a USB-C port, this mid-tower case covers all the essentials. MSI MPG Series 110R. This mid-tower PC case boasts a sturdy build and stylish design, featuring a tempered glass side panel that showcases your components. It includes 4 pre-installed fans, 3 120mm RGB fans in the front and 1 120mm fan at the rear, ensuring superior airflow and cooling. Compatible with ATX, micro ATX, and mini-ITX motherboards, it supports a wide range of system configurations. The thoughtful layout includes a magnetic dust filter on the top and a fine mesh filter on the front for cleanliness and ventilation. RGB lighting can be easily customized with a dedicated button. Storage options are extensive, with space for 2 2.5-inch SSDs and up to 4 combo 3.5 by 2.5-inch drives. It supports up to a 360mm radiator in the front and a 280mm radiator on top, with ample cable management space and 7 expansion slots for upgrades. Thermaltake S100. An elegant and compact mini-tower PC case is designed with full metal construction and a sleek front panel. It features a 4mm thick tempered glass side panel with a tool-free door lock, offering durability and style. The built-in windowed power cover improves airflow and hides cables, ensuring a clean look. Dust reduction is enhanced by magnetic fan filters on the top and base. The case supports mini-ITX and micro ATX motherboards and comes with a pre-installed 120mm rear fan. Storage options include 2 2.5-inch by 3.5-inch drive bays with an HDD rack and 2 2.5-inch drives with an HDD bracket behind the motherboard tray. Front input-output ports include USB 3.0, USB 2.0, HD audio, and a reset button. It accommodates CPU coolers up to 165mm in height, GPUs up to 330mm in length, and PSUs up to 160mm. NZXT H7 flow. In this mid-tower PC case, better thermal efficiency is achieved through an open top panel with perforations for improved ventilation, allowing warm air to escape easily. It supports radiators up to 360mm on both the top and front, and the front panel can also house 3 140mm fans for optimal cooling. Building is simplified with an enhanced cable management system, featuring wider channels for easier routing and added hooks for stability. The case boasts a modern look with new color options and complementary glass tinting, seamlessly fitting any aesthetic. Designed for gaming, it is compatible with ATX motherboards and provides ample space for ambitious builds, with dimensions of 20.08-inch by 10.83-inch by 20-inch and a weight of 18 pounds. 7 expansion slots offer plenty of room for customization. Antec NX200M. This mini-tower PC case is designed for gaming and supports micro ATX motherboards. It features a rear-mounted power supply and utilizes air cooling with a 120mm fan. The case is lightweight at 3.5 kilograms and has compact dimensions of 13.82-inch by 7.87-inch by 15.35-inch. It accommodates up to 1 2.5-inch SSD and either 2 3.5-inch HDDs or 1 additional 2.5-inch SSD. The case supports graphics cards up to 275mm in length and CPU coolers up to 150mm in height. Additionally, it can house a power supply unit up to 150mm. This setup ensures that gamers have ample space and flexibility for their builds within a sleek, compact design. Deep Cool Matrix 55 Mesh. This mid-tower PC case, designed for gaming and business, supports extended ATX, ATX, micro ATX, and mini-ITX motherboards. It features a 4mm thick tempered glass side panel, offering a sleek look and easy access to components. Optimized for airflow, it intakes air through the front and side mesh panels and exhausts it via the top and back. It supports up to a 360mm all-in-one radiator in the front, or a 240mm radiator on top, with a maximum CPU cooler height of 165mm. The case can accommodate GPUs up to 370mm and PSUs up to 170mm, with a PSU shroud for neat cable management. Storage options include 2 3.5-inch HDD cages and 2 2.5-inch SSD slots. The front input-output panel includes USB 2.0, USB 3.0, audio, mic, and an RGB button. Detachable dust filters on top ensure easy maintenance. Thanks for watching.